Hey gang, we just got back from picking this car up in Crystal Lake at a private airport hangar there. It's a 38 Buick with a rumble seat. So he's commissioned us to do some upgrades to it. So stick around and we'll show you what some of those upgrades are. So here's the upgrade. Some of you are gonna be upset. A Chevy Crate 350, 300 horse. So he wanted easy driving, power steering, power brakes, and no headaches. I have the original 6-cylinder over there on a beautiful stand that we made for it. If anybody wants to buy that, it's for sale. But here's drivability. There's a Heights front suspension that has a power steering rack on it. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes all the way around through a 10-bolt posi with a 373 gear. Chances are next time you see it, the nose will be going back on it, and then take it out for a drive. Okay, we're back. We're doing the last video on this Buick conversion. We started with a big straight 8 that you just saw and went to a new GM Crate 350 with a 4L65E trans, and we pulled out the original torque tubular end and put in a 10-bolt posi in here. Basically, this whole conversion was done so that the customer could get in the car, have confidence that it wasn't going to leave them stranded again, and have more reliability, more performance, and a little easier car all the way around. Last time you saw the car, we had the whole front end off of it. The motor was just sitting in here, and we still had wiring and the rest of the hookups to do on it. Then we got it in, got it wired up. The customer added some gauges on the dash that you'll see. Got rid of a bunch of wiring under the dash that was left abandoned that he didn't need, and just wrapped the whole thing up. It'll make an all the way around nice project. Car is beautiful to start with, really didn't have anything to do with the outside of the car. So just a nice drivetrain conversion. So look us up online, follow us on all of our social media platforms, and if you see what you like, give us a call and you can take a look at our webpage at customclassics.net. There you'll see all the services that we offer. All right, so let's put this hood down and maybe we'll take this thing out for a ride and show you guys what it's like. Woo. Go for a ride.